there? It's you.
Hello.
Jack, see you leave?
I told him I was at the hospital. You need to tell me what happened so I can help you.
Use your imagination.
Maybe we should let her rest a while.
I have to get her to the hospital.
No.
I can't treat you in my living room.
Look, I'd have to check in. The insurance and shit. Everybody will know.
We'll go home, get you some clothes, then pick up Abel. I'll sign him in. We'll say we're running more tests.
You could get fired for that.
I'll figure it out.
Promise me you won't tell anyone.
Gemma?
Promise.
We gotta tell Clay.
Not Clay. Not Jax. No one.
All right.
I won't say anything. They're gonna see her face.
I know. Stay with her.